China's first deep-sea floating wind power platform left Zhuhai in South China's Guangdong province to the waters of Hainan province on Sunday for installation. The platform, CNOOC Guanlan, is China's first offshore wind power project. Invested in and built by the China National Offshore Oil Corporation, the platform will be installed in an offshore oil field located 136 kilometers from Wenchang in Hainan. The electricity generated by the turbine will be connected to the power grid of the offshore oil field group for oil and gas production, with an annual power generation capacity of 22 million kilowatt-hours. That means it could save nearly 10 million cubic meters of natural gas and reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 22,000 tons per year.